Hello everyone, I have a 2003 325i E46 engine that obviously has a rough vital, as you can see, that I can't seem to figure out where it's coming from. I have changed both intake boots, I've changed the DISA valve, I just cleaned the mass airflow sensor, and when it is unplugged, the car runs a lot better. I just cleaned it and then restarted the car, and then it ran pretty well, like how it does with the unplug. But I'm gonna unplug it and show you. I just cleaned it, ran good for a second, and then started doing this again. So this is the car without the mass airflow sensor in. See, it runs a little bit better, but I can hear some type of leak or something coming from this general area. I don't know where, but somewhere down in here, I think. But like I said, I've changed both intake boots, but I can hear it. I've also changed the secondary air pump hose, and I've changed the can't think of the name right now. The camshaft position sensor. And it has a stall and cold start, so I'm kind of running out of ideas. If you have any tips or whatnot, if you comment your ideas, I'd appreciate it. Thanks.